to Salsa's Kitchen. What are we making today, Mom?
We're going to make a Bannann Peze.
You frying it?
Yes.
Okay.
Ok. Nou bezwen, sa depan quantité banan nap friye, nou bezwen vinaigre ou bien citron pour nous mettre dans de l'eau avec sel. Ça dépend de quantité de l'eau, quantité banane. Moi-même, j'ai besoin de 2 cuillères vinaigre, mettre dans de l'eau. Et puis, j'ai besoin de sel. Et sel-là, pas de quantité parce que ça dépend de la quantité de l'eau mettez. Ok? Je vais mettre 1 cuillère et demie. Pour moi, c'est enough. Mettre 1 cuillère et demie sel dans le pan. Et puis, je vais les bananes pour me mettre. Et puis, je besoin un pèse. Ça, c'est pèse banane. Mais si nous n'avons pas de pèse là, nous sommes capables d'utiliser pour banane. Je n'ai pas besoin d'utiliser pour banane, mais plus pèse là.
Hey everyone, welcome to another video from Salsa's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. It means so much to us. Also, if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and more videos to come. We just really appreciate all the love and support that we've been receiving from you guys. Alright, so enough of that. Let me get to what she's doing and translate for you guys. So she added vinegar and salt to the water. She wants the water to be a little bit salty, not extremely salty, just a little bit. So she added about 3 spoons, I would say, of salt, 2.5, to the vinegar. And then she just took the plantain and she cut it. We do have a plantain press, so we're going to use that. But if you don't have a plantain press, don't worry. You can just use the skin of the plantain to flatten the plantain out when it's time. And when you do cut the plantain, you just want to make sure you cut it at an angle. And that will give you the best results. So keep watching and I'll be here to translate.
Puis, ça c'est l'huile là, on met l'huile sur du feu. Et puis, chaudière supposée chaud, l'huile là supposée chaud.
So the oil is on the stove and we're waiting for it to get hot. You want to make sure the water is hot before you put the plantain in, and that will give you the best results. And right now she's just taking the plantain from the vinegar salt water, and then she's just going to let it sit a little bit, and then she's going to put it in once the oil is finally hot.
Les va servir banane nan, nous capable servir as appetizer. Les bananes vet là, les bananes muyantes. Les va mettre là du feu. Parce que le gain de l'eau là-dedans, attention au d'huile. Mettez les huiles.
So when you put the banan in the oil, you just want to be careful because it did just come from water, so the oil might like splash back on you. So just be careful when you're doing this. And she just said cover immediately. I guess she was just like in a rush and just took any cover. So let her get the right cover for you guys. I was just thinking that. I said, where's the top? The banan is not ready yet, but she's just turning it while it's cooking in the oil.
I have to wait.
What are you waiting for?
This one is not done yet.
You're waiting for it to fry?
Yeah. Almost.
Mom.
Yeah.
While you're waiting for it to fry, we got an email. They wanted to know, where did you learn how to cook?
Oh, where?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that was in my country, in Haiti. So when I was 17 years old, and then I go to Koskoma.
What's that, a cooking school?
That's a school. Yes, that's a cooking school in Koskoma, makeup school, everything. That's a nice school, big school.
Oh, you did makeup too?
No, I don't do makeup. I don't do makeup, so I do a cuisine in Koskoma.
Your sister sent you there, right?
My daddy sent me there, and then my sister paid for me.
Oh, okay.
I have two sisters. We all know how to cook in the family. Yeah, we know how to cook in the family.
But
my two sisters.
You're the only one that went to school?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We just only me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Why did they send you?
Because I like it. That's why.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it. When I do it, so they're happy. When I cook, they're happy. That's why.
Okay.
Happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Me pon question?
You did?
Yeah, I did. I think so. My niece know how to cook too.
Which one?
Joanne.
Joanne?
Yeah, she like that. She like that. She know how to cook too.
What about your daughter?
My daughter, she's still learning. But anyway, life we learn every day in life. And then, couler la même glow, ou te mette banan nan trempe ya, même glow a ou save li, l'on pral fri banan non passe la la et puis ou fri. So banan yo bon couler la, bon retire yo.
So we're using the same vinegar salt water that we used before. So we're just going to take the banan from the oil, we're going to press it together, and then we are going to like swipe it through the vinegar salt water, and then you put it back in the oil to finish frying. So I hope you guys didn't already throw away this water. Sorry if I'm telling you to wait to keep this water.
And then couler la, l'on fin ou passe l'an glow a et puis retourner mettre la pan. Just like that. That's it. That's it.
And this is frying now, and she's just turning it while it's frying.
Bon, l'autre question encore?
I actually do. So the last question is, they want to know how we got started on YouTube. Do you remember how we got started?
Maybe another time I'm going to tell you, not today.
Not today?
Nah.
Okay, so stay tuned, guys, and we'll be sure to answer that question on how our YouTube channel started.
Okay.
Maybe when we get to 1,000 subscribers, we'll let them know.
Okay, sure. Why not?
Okay, so if you're not already a subscriber, subscribe now. And more videos to come. Comment below. Let us know what you like. and what you don't like. Yeah, keep us posted. We love to hear from you guys. That makes like our day when we hear from you.
So, c'est Bannann Peze là ça. Ou capable user as appetizer. Beton pitlis ensemble avec lui. Ou mettons fourchette. Et then coulier là. Ou use the as appetizer. Bannann Peze avec pitlis. Okay guys. Thanks very much. See you à la prochaine. Soso Kitchen. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Please. Love you. Bye bye.